You can easily customize our video template. Simply click on the image, press Delete on your keyboard, and then click the icon to choose a picture from your computer, and voila! And that's why I always say that you can easily use Levidio The Feed to create highly engaging videos and graphics for any product or niche. Welcome to Levidio The Feed Quick Video Walkthrough. With Levidio The Feed, you'll be able to create professional and highly engaging videos and graphics using only PowerPoint. No additional plugins required. Inside, you'll be getting hundreds of the highest quality templates, including multi-purpose promo video templates, social media kits, and a lot more. Without further ado, let's see how easy it is to edit Levidio The Feed's template. First, choose one from hundreds of amazing templates. For example, I'll be using a multi-purpose promo video template. Inside this first module, you'll get your template available in 3 different ratios, so you can use it to create a social media post, YouTube video, or even a social story video for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. It's super flexible. Alright, as you can see here, you can easily change the text and edit the color. You can also replace this dummy page with your own image. Simply click on the image that you want to edit. Press Delete on your keyboard, and then click the icon to choose the picture from your computer, and there you go. You can preview the animation by clicking this little star icon just below the slide number. You can also change background color easily. Just go to Design and click on Format Background. After that, you can choose your background here. After you're done with the editing, you can export your video up to 4K quality. Just go to File, Export, create a video, and then make sure that you change the seconds spent on each slide to 0, and then hit the Create Video button and let PowerPoint render your amazing video. You're not only getting video templates, but also hundreds of world-class templates, including social media kits, microblogs, and super complete and amazing visuals for all major social media, including Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, and more. Enough? Not yet. You'll also get over 1,500 social media post ideas, so you don't have to worry about what to post on your social media account today, tomorrow, or even next week, because we provide you a whole year of daily content ideas for the best niches. So say goodbye to the hassle and hello to peace of mind. What are you waiting for? Download Levidio The Feed now and start creating professional videos and graphics in minutes. The fastest and easiest way to create better and more engaging videos and graphics to dominate social media and the whole internet. Introducing Levidio The Feed. Now you can get access to hundreds of templates, assets, and design slides for all of your promotional and branding needs. You can get started with Levidio The Feed in 3 simple steps. Choose one from hundreds of amazing templates. Easily customize every aspect of your video and graphic, color, text, graphics, video, and more. Export your video into a high-quality video and graphic that's ready to dominate Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and the whole internet. Check out what you get inside Levidio The Feed. Explainer video templates, social media kit, microblog templates, Instagram content template, Facebook feed templates, YouTube feed templates, Google feed templates, WhatsApp feed templates, Twitter feed templates, Marketplace feed templates. Not only that, you'll also get over 1,500 social media post ideas. Never worry about what to post today, tomorrow, or even next week, because we provide a whole year of daily content ideas for the best niches. So say goodbye to the hassle and hello to peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Download Levidio The Feed now and start creating professional videos and graphics in minutes.